Your journey to app development starts here. Ready to turn your idea into a real app? Let's dive into a simple guide to help you get started, whether you're creating for Android, iOS, or both. Define your app idea. First things first. Know exactly what your app will do. What problem does it solve? Who is it for? Outline its core features and how users will interact with it. Choose a platform. Next up, choose your platform. Android? Use Android Studio. iOS? Head to Xcode. Want to go cross-platform? Consider Flutter, React Native, or a low-code tool like OutSystems. Design the user interface. Now, let's talk design. Use tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe to create wireframes and visual designs. Keep the layout intuitive and user-friendly. Start building. It's time to start building. You can code it yourself using Java or Kotlin for Android, Swift for iOS, or JavaScript for React Native. Or, if you prefer a simpler route, try low-code platforms like AppDriver, Thunkable, or Power Apps to build without much coding. Test your app. Don't skip this step. Test your app on real devices and emulators. Fix bugs, improve performance, and make sure the user experience is as smooth as possible. Publish the app. Ready for launch? For the Google Play Store, create a developer account, upload your APK, and follow the submission steps. For the Apple App Store, enroll in the Apple Developer Program, upload via Xcode, and submit for review. Tips for success. Here are a few quick tips. Start small with an MVP or minimum viable product. Gather feedback early and iterate. Focus on performance and ease of use. Don't forget to promote your app through social media, ads, and SEO. That's it. With the right tools and plan, anyone can build and launch an app today.